So tonight we're going to see fireworks to ring in the new year. So here we have the tour of London, and this is where all the crowned jewels are. Believe me when I tell you that the camera is not doing this entire scenery any justice. Just beautiful. Guys, it's so beautiful. Oh my god. Perfect way to ring in the new year. So it's currently 10:15 and we're at Tower Bridge for the fireworks to ring in the new year, and the place is getting crowded. It's getting packed. But yeah, it's a beautiful view, beautiful vibe. We like it here. Right, Jayo? We do. Like, look how would about too much one do, you know? So it's 11:06 and we decided to walk away to get some food and also to see if we might get a better spot. So as you can see on the left side of the bridge, that's where we entered, and we've been walking ever since because we're going closer to food and closer to the fireworks. Hello, I'm Santana Burnett reporting live from a bridge. Thank you, sir. A bridge in London, and it is now 11:11. We have 44 minutes. We have 49 minutes, right? Until. Anyways, it's 11:11 and we're waiting until 12 when it's actually 2023. So we'll be welcoming 2023 this year, and it's gonna be spectacular. So stay tuned. It's now 9 minutes to 2023. 8 minutes. Woo! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! So my lovies, if you've made it to this point in the video, I just want to wish you a happy new year. I hope that you'll be given and you'll receive all the blessings and all the desires of your heart. But bear in mind, God help those who help themselves. So you have to put the work in with faith and everything will come to pass. Cause war for you, care and fear. So now better wait till the drum beat before you grind axe. So that is basically saying prepare yourself when moving after your goals. So guys, I know you have your goals set, but just ensure that you are prepared. I know you're asking for things, you're requesting things from God, but make sure you're preparing yourself in order to receive it. Love you guys so much. Thanks again for watching another video. If you haven't yet done so, guys, remember to subscribe, like the video. Oh, you can turn your post notifications on, that's quite fun as well. And also share it with your friend. All right, guys, love you. Bye bye.